So today's upgrade day for the WL104001, the 10-4. So we're gonna upgrade all the electronics because you can't upgrade one without upgrading all. We got 120 amp, waterproof, Banggood Special or Ali Express or something like that. I'll put a link in the description. I don't know how good these are, but it can't be much worse than this thing. Got a cheapy 20 kilogram servo. Hopefully it's the right size. Looks about right. We'll see. And then I got a 3650 43 kV waterproof. Again, came in a combo deal. Came with program card, the whole deal. Also got aluminum motor mounts to lighten it up a little. Give her some of that excess weight. I'll probably repurpose this motor into a one of the other rigs. I think it's bigger and stronger than the one that's in the other 110 monster truck, the Piranha. So maybe we'll swap that out. Anyways, so this is step one. I already put the sway bars on in another video. So this is kind of the big upgrade, though. It's electronics, and we'll see if we can get it going. Now, this stupid thing, I lost the turnbuckle. Turnbuckle's gone. So I'm gonna mangle something in place. Probably just put a screw through it. These ball cup things don't work very good. And going online, I'm sure I could find something, but it's been back and forth. I'm not ordering just that. So next order I put in, I'll do something, but this will just make it work, and then we'll get a rip on it. I probably won't video me taking it apart. I'll just video me putting everything back in. All right. Yeah, I'll be back when I'm all set up. So I took out the parts I'm upgrading, and one of the big things I also forgot to mention earlier is that I got new motor mounts for aluminum instead of that monkey metal. So I'm weighing this. It's 352 grams, and then I'll weigh. Well, I'll just switch it now. The plate will probably weigh something, but it is what it is. So this is the new servo. It's the new ESC and motor. And we're at 332, and then we got the motor mounts. 364. So we are going up in weight a little bit. Now, I don't know if that's because we got a metal servo. The other ones are all plastic, so these are weighing a little more. So we're not reducing weight at all, but we are changing the drive, but that's good to know. So even though we're getting rid of that big can, we're adding weight in the servo and whatnot. So let me get set up and we'll get all these goodies put in. All right. All right, so I got these definitely are a tremendous amount lighter. That monkey metal, bet you just the one mount like this weighed more than all of this together. I'm guaranteeing you the servo on this is a heavy motor. Yeah, I got this pretty decent price. So this whole upgrade, this is pretty much the electronics and the pieces I wanted done that I had to do. Later on, I'd like to lighten it up with some carbon fiber or something like that, but this is the minimum I wanted to do before I took it back to the track. So in the end, we got a servo. Let me look it up. That way I'm not guessing. So for $36, I got these and a program card. So now I got a program card to program all my other ESCs and get them right. This 120 amp MH. These are all just, some generics from Sky RC and Ali Express. And then this is Queen Hobby. I don't know what it is. Doesn't matter. I'm looking for the cheapest upgrade possible. So in the end, this car cost me $94 with coupons and whatnot. And then another $33 for this and $12. And that's with shipping, $12.44 for this. And then these were $10.50, $10.60. So we'll say $11, $13, and we'll say with shipping was 36. So that's 50, almost 60 bucks. So you're at 160 bucks right now, roughly, you know, give or take a couple dollars, for what they charge you for the brushless upgrade. What is it? It's up to $300 right now, $279, something like that. So in my mind, this is only smart way to go with this, as long as everything else is the same, which it looks like it is. It seems like a decent upgrade. Now I also have the LC Racing sway bars on too, but this is minimum what I wanted for my first time taking it really to the track. So, but yeah, let's get into it. I'd like to replace that. This is all the carbon fiber parts I'd like to replace. This thing's heavy. It's just heavy. I'm going to use the hardware provided by the motor mount company. They are upside down, but hold on. Well, maybe I will use the originals. We'll see. Hold on. So, I gotta clean this desk off. Making sure I'm looking at it right, brother. Starting with motor mounts. I gotta put that on backwards. Now I'm making these snug, but I'm not going crazy on them. Kind of like a loose fit, because I'll probably go back through and put Loctite on all these. They're machined real nice though. Glad I use their hardware. I know it sticks out a little bit, but who cares? You know, they get scratched up, whatever. Got a whole set of hardware I can use later. Because I've only put 3 batteries through this, I think. Let one of them Wltoys try it out and use it over the other day. And the damn turnbuckle fell off again, so we lost it. I had to make another one, which I made out of some spare parts. Did that off camera. Should be fine though. Fits in there nice. Fits in there real nice. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so off camera I'll put the motor on the motor mount. I don't think you need to watch that or nothing. And I'll button up the bottom of that and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's the motor mount on and the pinion and gear all set up. Looks good. Spins nice. I think it turned out alright. So I gotta mount the put the cover back on this. Put the servo in place and put the ESC in, and then we'll give her a quick rip. So I'll put the cover on it, then I'll be back. All right, I think she's looking good. How do they do it? Bam! So everything's pretty much in place. I haven't put the sticky stuff on all of it yet. I want to make sure it all works. So I got to get the hook up my Dumbo and real quick and get the servo squared before I put it on. So. And then we'll give her a little test fire. So kind of do it all at once. So I'll just video the last part of this. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to take it apart to run anything underneath, but my hope is that I could just leave that and then have this go over the top. I know that's taking a chance, but whatever. It's a chance I'm willing to take, I guess. At least right now. Make sure the dang thing runs first. I suppose. Alright, battery. Let's try the ones for this. I gotta pull it just once. Ho, 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 ho. Alright. Servo centered. Oh, there was a little screw that came with this thing. Watch, I lost it. Oh, nope, I found it. I think it's the 1.5. Yeah. So I'll start it first. Hopefully I can get this through here somehow. Excuse me, sorry about that. Oh, oh wait, wrong one. That's just a spare for the side. Durder. I need one of these guys. They gave you a whole bunch of parts for these. I like these servos. I bought a lot of servos trying to find the right ones for these 1/16 scale and all those other guys. And man, nothing fits. It's just such an odd, you know. Don't even get me started about the LC Racing guys. Bought a brand new one, $17 from them. I know it's not a lot for a servo, but it is to me, you know. Compared to the $4 ones I've been getting. Damn thing makes an awful noise. I'll probably do a little video on it later because it's really irritating me at this point. Anyways, long story short, that dang thing, just because you pay a lot for something don't mean it's worth a damn. That's what I... Oh. No, this receiver doesn't have the gyro, so I can't show that. But, oh, looks like throttle's in reverse. Okay, this is like the other one that I got. For some reason, the polarities are not right. It's either on the ESC or the oh, that's not the one I want to do. So reverse is forward, forward is reverse, but then it's got no power when you do get it right. So, anyways, So, if you remember correctly, the speed run at Mom's with the brushed system, I got to 27. So, we'll have to see. I'll get this out tomorrow. And we'll have to see how good she rolls. So, alright. I'll get the wheel buttoned up, and I'll see you outside tomorrow morning. Well, this is our first test run with the 110 with our electronics upgrade and all the new servos. Seeing Lauren's done most of the driving. Hopefully she'll do the driving now. You got more pep? Yeah. Do some drive-bys. This is with the stock blue batteries. You gotta change the batteries out. Do some loop-de-loops close. Beautiful. All right, bring her over here so I can switch batteries.